disease or then we actually have experienced some practical perspective having been done, so that when we go back then we can go to see, assess the progress. Because right now we are focusing on and be able also to motivate them as a part of our command, be able to speak to the troops, be able to experience what they are facing, be able to speak to them, and also see exactly what is happening in issues of logistics, on the issues of the operations, on the issues of the information sharing, on the issues of the works that we have been doing on civil-military relations, and also be able to see the project that we have been developing in the sector, to see how we are relating with the local community, visit those particular projects, and be able to see how they are relating with the local community. And these are some of the issues that we want to do these 3 days that we are in this region, and then after that we shall be able to visit other regions as well.
ujeedadaynu ugu yimaadeen sidoo jaran ka bidin sharaxay waxay ahayd in amisom sektarada ka howlgala Jubbaland sector 6 sector 2 iyo sector 3 iyo ciidamada Jubbaland iyo kuwa xooga dalka Soomaaliyeed sida ay howlgal midaysan oo isfahan leh u qaadi lahaayeen. ودكتين وحنا وعيدان ريحين قرشان هوري ودقاقينو ورينتا جبادة دحه marka qorshahaas muddo dheer Jubbaland ay u howlgashay geed dheer iyo geed sare u fuushay inay hor u dhaqaaqo ba meel fiican noo marayo walow aan saxaafadda la wadaagaynin marka qorshahaas ayay ugu yimaadeen sidii loo dardargelin lahaa